Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 5.1 question number 3. The question is convert the following algebraic expressions into tree diagrams. Here subdivision 2 3a minus b 3a minus b convert the following algebraic expression here algebraic expression into tree diagrams. Okay, so the question is 3a minus b. Here the operation is subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So first subtraction right here, and there are two expressions. Okay, there are two expressions, that is 3a and b. Okay, 3a and b. So here there are two branches 3a and b. So here, but in 3a 3 times of a, so 3 times of a, here the operations multiplication 3 multiple by a. Okay, 3 multiplication a equal to 3a. So here the another one operation is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So multiplication split into two branches. So that is 3a. Here there is no operations. So here b only. So write b here. Okay. So here this is the tree diagram for 3a minus b. Okay. The next question, question number 3, the same question. Subdivision 6 x multiple by y minus y multiple by z. Okay, here this is the algebraic equation. A cross b minus b cross c. Okay, b cross c. So here we have algebraic expression into tree diagram. The algebraic expressions are x cross y minus y cross z. Okay, here the operation subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So subtraction split into the two branches. Okay, one more branches. Okay, two branches. Here first one is first expression x cross y, x multiple by y, x multiple by y. Here the operation multiplication. Okay, here the operation multiplication. So multiplication split into the branches x and y, x, y. Okay, and then here the operation multiplication y multiple by z. Okay, y multiple by z. So here the operation multiplication, and then the expressions are y, z. Okay, so the root of the tree subtraction. Okay, so the branches multiplication. So and then the leaves are x, y, y, z. Okay. Next question number 3. Convert the following algebraic expression into tree diagrams. Subdivision 8 L m minus n divided by p q plus r. Okay, p q plus r. Here the operation, the arithmetic operation division. Okay, using division split into the two expressions. Okay, two expression. Taking the expression 1 L m minus n. Okay, L m minus n. Here the operation minus. Okay, minus. Okay, minus L m minus n. Okay, minus n. Here there is no operation, so put n right here. But here L into m. Okay, L multiple by m. So here one more operations are multiplication. So multiplication L m. Okay, L m. Okay, and then taking the second expression p q plus r. Okay, p q plus r. The operations are addition. Okay, addition. Okay, split into the two branches like p q. So p q here operation multiplication by p q. Okay, p q, and then here r. Okay, that is no more operations. So put r right here. Okay. Next question number 4. We are moving on to question number 4. Convert the following tree diagrams into algebraic expressions. Okay, convert the following tree diagrams. Here in this problem they are given the tree diagram. We have to convert the algebraic expressions. Okay, so first taking subdivision 1. Okay, here consider the tree diagram. Okay, first we could find it. Okay, first p plus q. Okay, p, the first first operation First write here P, okay, P. The operations are plus and then here Q. Okay, here the algebraic expressions P plus Q. The algebraic expression equal to P plus Q. Okay, so convert the following three diagrams into algebraic expression. Okay, so first let us take the tree diagram. Okay, tree diagram. First we have to here we have to consider, first consider this, we could find it. So here 8 here the operations are division A, 8 divided by A, 8 divided by A. Okay, the first expression 8 divided by A. The root of the tree is addition. Okay, the operation is addition. Okay, addition. And then here consider this. So B divided by 4. Okay, B divided by 4. Okay, B divided by 4. And then the operation here plus. Okay, so plus here that is 3. Okay, 3. So put the bracket here. So the algebraic expressions are 8 divided by 8 divided by A plus B divided by 4 plus 3. Okay, B divided by 4 plus 3. Therefore, the algebraic expression equal to 8 divided by A plus B divided by 4 plus 3. Okay, 8 divided by A plus B divided by 4 plus 3. Okay. Let us move on to the exercise 5.2, question number 1. Write the missing numbers. Okay, write the missing numbers. Taking subdivision to 65 divided by 9 plus 3. Okay, 65 divided 9 plus 3. Okay. Here, in this problem, they are also given the tree diagram. Okay, that is the operation division. Okay, the operation division. So here there are two expressions. Okay, here there are two expressions. So that is so here there are two expressions, and also here the one more operations is addition. Okay, one more operation addition. So addition here. Here we have to find the missing numbers. So what is the missing numbers? So here first put division. So split into the two expression. Okay, split into the two expression. Here this is 65. Okay, there is no more operation. So here split into the two branches. So here write 65. Okay, 65. And then here taking another expression 9 plus 3. Okay, 9 plus 3. So here one more operation, that is addition. So addition split into the two branches. So that is 9 and 3. So here the missing numbers 9 and 3. Okay. Therefore the missing numbers 65, 9 and 3. The next question, question number 2. Write the missing operation in the tree. Write the missing operation. Here we have to find the missing operation. Not the missing numbers. Here we have to find the missing operation. Taking the subdivision 1. 8 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay. I already told you. Here first see the root of the tree. Okay. First we have to see the root of the tree. So here the root of the tree is 8. Here there are two expressions 8 and 6 divided by 2. The root of the tree is addition. Okay. So here we have to find the root of the tree, that is addition. Okay. So write addition. Okay. So write the symbol addition. Okay. So first write addition. So split into the two operations. Split into the two expressions, that is 8, and another one is 6 divided by 2. Here another one operation, that is division. So division split into the two branches, that is 6 2. Okay, 6 2. Here the missing operation is addition. Okay, here the missing operation is addition. Okay. Okay children, thank you.